Hello everyone, and in this lecture we're going to be integrating comments into our blog posts via Disqus. And Disqus is an external service, and you can see its description right here on the documentation. Basically, it allows you to have comments on your blog post, but it does include ads. So if you don't want ads, you would have to upgrade to a paid subscription. So on the documentation, you can see you have to go to disqus.com and create an account, and then all you have to do is create a site. So I actually already have a site, so I'm going to create a new one, and I'm just going to set the website name to portfolio blog. So category, they don't have education, so we are just going to do tech and create site. And we want to just have the basic. So if you scroll all the way down, just go to basic. And we are going to do install manually with universal code. So now we can see all these instructions. And if we go back to the documentation, all we have to do is install Vue.js. So I'm just going to install that. We have to stop our server and npm install Vue-Disqus. And we have to import Vue.js into our main.js. So we can go into our main.js and we can just import it in here and then view.use Vue.js. Alright, so now we can run our server again. And there's an error within the documentation because of Vue.js, this name for the component doesn't work anymore with the plugin that we've installed. So you actually have to use this right here, which I found within a GitHub pull request. So thanks to eclectic coding for that solution. So inside of our post, inside of here, we can, at the end of the page, so let's create a main, and let's put all the content inside of our main tag, and then we can have a Disqus, and our short name is going to be portfolio blog 2. And the identifiers page dot post dot title. So if I'm correct, we should be able to just save that, and you can see that we have 0 comments. So obviously you can see that you need to add in some styling. So we can go inside of our tag right here, and style equals with 80%. And then we can add the margin 0 auto. So obviously you should be adding in more styling than this, but this is just some basic styling. So you can see that you can add in comments inside of here. So if I wanted to add in a comment, I could say great post, and then just hit post, and you can see I'm logged in already. So it allows people to log in from other sites if they've already used Disqus. So then you can see it just posted, and it says 1 comment. If I refresh the page, and you can see that the comment is still there because it's embedding an iframe inside of your site. So if I go to the Disqus admin page, so if I go to the site on Disqus, I should be able to just hit configure and complete setup. Dismiss setup. And you'll be able to moderate comments. It takes a bit for all of the comments to show up. But you can see that if people were to go to that post, then they would be able to see all of the comments for that post. And if the page.post.title, so if you change the title of that post, it would actually change the comments. So a better identifier might be if you use the ID of the page, but I'm just going to be using the title for right now. So I hope I see you guys in the next lecture.